Hi, welcome to the Acoustic Lounge.
Can you see me now? We're no longer running. We're not fighting for anyone else. Can we keep it out? Keep it out. Keep it out. But we feel alive. Can you hear me now? We're not coming for you. We're not coming for anyone else. Can we keep it out? Keep it out. Keep it out. But we feel alive.
Okay, so what day is it?
Wednesday?
It's Thursday.
It's Thursday. Oh,
You should have been here on a Tuesday. Where you been?
I've been working. Or was it a Monday?
Dan.
Was it a Monday?
No.
I don't know what day of the week it
Look, Penny Arcane popped in on the flying visit.
is. On a flying visit, what, did they get their jet plane in?
Yeah.
Yeah. No, that's what money's about.
So we got them in the acoustic lounge.
In the Acoustic Lounge, yes, of course. You recorded on the Tuesday.
It's on with the show.
Right, sorry, we'll apologise. Right, so it's Thursday.
Yeah.
Right, I weren't here on Tuesday, but we recorded.
And you left me without a camera.
I left you without a camera. I thought you had it with you. Or did I leave it from the weekend?
It was in your bag.
Oh, it was in my bag.
It was recording the atoms and you took it home with you.
Yeah, because we had to do the editing.
With a webcam.
With a webcam. Well, it's just footage, isn't it?
Yeah.
But it'll be alright. You'll see for yourself. It's all right.
Tomorrow I'm going to actually mix it.
You're gonna mix it.
I'm going to show you how I've done the mix.
Excellent. Okay, so we're gonna do a
Listen
mix.
and learn. Listen and learn.
Listen and learn and mix it on that. Right. Okay.
Oh, here we go.
No, I'm only joking. So yeah, you okay? And
So
we're gonna show them in the acoustic lounge, and you're gonna mix it on
for the channel,
Friday,
yeah.
for the
Do a
channel,
live mix for the channel, yeah.
Right, okay. Cool. Let's do it then.
Let's do it. Roll house.
Yeah, right then.